wonderful taco wrappers.
Hello, everybody. We are making wonderful tacos, but a different style, everybody. This is something special, great for kids to be involved and help you into the kitchen. We're going to use some wonderful egg roll wrappers, everybody. Yes, wrappers in the house. So welcome to Mama Soul Kitchen and Cooking with Granny. And we are here today. We have all of our wrappers inside of these cupcake pans. See right here, we kind of sprayed the pan with a little bit of vegetable spray. And that's how we do it here. So we went on and placed our wrappers in each one, okay? We have 24 here. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna fill it in like they're tacos, everybody. We're gonna do the ground beef first. Then we're gonna add some salsa. And then we're gonna add some nice cheddar cheese and shredded cheese and stuff like that for Mexican style cheese, okay? So this is going to be very simple, and we want to add some onions as well. We have our onions over here already diced up. We have our salsa here, and then we have our cheese blend right there, and that's it, everybody. Very simple. Place our ground beef into these little wonton wrapper bowls, and we're going to put plenty of meat in here, everybody. Okay, we're just going to top it off with the toppings. And that's it. We're going to have it nice and hearty because these are some pretty big, shells here. So we want to make sure that we have some nice hearty taco bowls, okay? Now, what we're going to do is we're going to add in our onions. We already had onions when we cooked our ground beefs in already. So we're going to add in extra because our family love onion. We just love onion. You can eliminate this part if you don't like fresh onions. That's okay because it's only going to cook on 375 for about 20 minutes, so it's not going to be long, okay? But here we go. We're going to go ahead and add our onions, like I said. And then we're going to add the salsa. So we're going to add some salsa in each bowl, everybody, okay? We're going to do this. And the kids can be involved and they can help with this. They would love to make these little taco bowls, okay? So here we go. I'm going to add that in there. And that's all good. And then we're going to top it off with cheese, everybody. The cheese goes on top, everybody. So it's going to be delicious. Now, you can add lettuce because that's how you do your tacos, right? You can add lettuce. You can add sour cream afterwards and guacamole afterwards. Not while it's cooking, though. You don't want to do that. So we're going to go ahead and add that. Okay, so now we did that. Now we're going to add the cheese. And we're going to add the cheese on there. Top on all of these little boats here. And then we're going to place it under 375 degrees. Like again for 20 minutes. And we're going to check and see if it's nice and settled and browning and all that good old stuff. And you know what? It's really not that bad. Because it's only 70 calories in one wrapper, everybody. One wrapper is 70 calories. So if you're on a diet or whatever, these are pretty good because you can do egg rolls like this and deep fried and all that other stuff. But yeah, these are like 70 calories. Can you believe that? Wonderful. Okay. So we did not add the salsa in the other one, so we're messing up here. We ain't paying attention. Now, we're going to go ahead and add the salsa over here. We're just going to move that cheese on over and add the cheese on top. All good. We're going to add the salsa over here. Same thing. You just go ahead and kind of like a lasagna, everybody. But instead, we're doing the taco bowls. All right. Here it is, going in the oven. Extra cheese and all that good old stuff. Here we go. All right, everybody. Here we go. Here they are. So, this was actually in 18 minutes, everybody. Set your timers for 15, but we have a gas stove, everybody, okay? So I don't know if electric is different for everybody else, but this was a good 17 to 18 minutes. 20 minutes would have been too long, as you see. They are beautifully, nicely brown, everybody. Look at this. Oh, it smells so delicious. Granddaughter is going to love this. Her husband's going to love this. They're on their way home. And they had some things they had to go do for a couple of days. But this is something that's going to be very good. And the kids are going to really love this, everybody. You can put all kinds of things. And you know what? You can actually do something like this for breakfast. Do do a scrambled egg, cheese, spinach, stuff like that. You can get really creative with these bowls here, okay? So anyway, as I was saying, this is something really good you guys can probably do for breakfast as well. So if you like what you see, make sure you guys hit that. So I was about to slap that. Slap that subscribe button. And make sure you hit that notification bell as well, everybody, because we have a lot more things that's going to be coming soon. And when this cools off, we're going to remove these from the pan because they're just piping hot right now. But actually, this one's done. This one's actually cooled off enough that I can hold it. Look at this. Isn't that cute, everybody? Oh my goodness, look at that. This is wonderful. Oh yes, this is just wonderful. See you guys soon. Stay tuned. We also want to thank O'Marley for subscribing to our YouTube channel for the Yellow Table. Who's going to be next?